Okay, so that's your main riff from Godzilla by Blue Oyster Cult. We got this F sharp power chord, 2 and 4. Use whatever fingers you want. Use the pinky sometimes. Hold that a little bit and then go down a string to the A. We got 2 to 4 power chords, B to C sharp. And then jump up a string, G sharp to A, 4th and 5th frets there. Okay, so we got 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3. Now the last part is going to be 6 to 7 on the A string, 7 on the big one, and back down. So 2, 3, 4. And then we have a double lead here. It's like a unison. So you're bending the 9th fret, the E up and down there, and you're also doing the octave of that. Okay, so you just bend the 12 up and down on the E string and the 9 up and down on the G string together there. And you do those 4 times, and then you're into a verse. Okay, so the verse has that same riff. So it ends up being like 4 times for the intro of that riff and then 6 more times for the verse. And then we get into the chorus, and the chorus rhythm is at the end of the tab because there's a lot of fills and guitar leads coming up and stuff. Okay, so here we have the chorus rhythm is going to go. So it's an E power chord. What we're doing is 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to pull that one out, and we have open, open, open there. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we do that 4 times. Then we come to the F sharp. Go to all the 2s there. Same thing. 3 and 4 and 4 times. Back to E. F sharp. Back into that stuff. Okay, now let's look at some fills. So the first fill is like a sliding thing. I'm not sure exactly what he's doing. He gets a cool effect, and you're picturing like Godzilla tearing down buildings and stuff. But then after that, we have this cool lead. Okay, so it's 17th fret of the 2nd string. So we hit it twice, and then we bend it. And when it's up, we hit it twice more. And then we bend down, so it's... And then we have 2 more 17s, and then we're going to go to the 16 on the G. So we bend the 16 up, hit the 14 on the E string, up and down on that 16 after that. Okay, so that was 14 on the G, 16 on the D, 16, 14 on the G. 2 of those 16s on the D, slide that last one down and go 2 to 4 in the D. And it's right after the 1, it's like 1. Okay, I'll do that one more time slow. Okay, now the next one's tricky. It's going to go 3, 4, 1. Okay, so it's like you wait for one little 16th note and then you pop in with this. So you have a little cool chromatic riff. I'm going to go 14 and then kind of hammer that 15 to 16. 14 on the D, hammer that 15, 16 to that 14, so it's 1. So you do the same riff twice, but you end with a 16 on the D that slides down the second time, so it's like 1. And then we do the same thing again, 1. So that's going to go 14 on the G, pull off, bend that one, and then 16, 14, 16, 14, slight bend there. 16, 14 is going to drag into the new measure there. So we got 1. Okay, and that takes us into the chorus. Now a chorus fill is going to go. Okay, so this one's going to be 3-2 open, 2nd string, back to 1st string. Bend that 2 in the G up and down, pull off. to an E power chord. So it's like, go, go, Godzilla. Okay, now the next one's gonna go after the 1 again. A lot of these fills happen after the 1, so it's like 1. Okay, so it's like 1, 5's the 2's, bend the 4 and the G, so 1. That was little 2's, bend the 4 again, up and down to the 2 here. So 4, 4, 2, little bend, 4 to 4, so it's 1. Now the next measure is going to go. So we have 2's in the middle strings, to that 4 in the A. Kind of some back and forths there. 4's on the middle strings, little 2's. Bend the 4 back to 2's, up and down on that one. So it's 1. Okay, then we have a. So that one's 9's on the D, G, and B. And then your kind of 2 bottom open ones. Another one of those pull off with a up and down bend on the 2. Go to your big E there, so it's. Okay, then the next one is after the 1 again, 1. Okay, and that takes us into the solo, which we're not doing right now, but once again on that fill, we got 1. So it's 2's, 2 of them quick, and then kind of 2 with space between them. And then after that last one, you're gonna go 2 to 3, back to the 2's, and then 4 and slide it down. 1. And then we're gonna come up here and go. So after the 1 again, 1. 9 to 12 on the A, 9, 11 on the D, 9, 11 on the G. Little shorty bend on that 10 on the second string. 11 to 9 on the G, and then bend the 12 up and down, pull off to the 10, 11 on the G. Okay, so all these fills again, we got. One. Okay, now we're going to jump to the last chorus fills. We got a. So just bending 3 times on that 14 on the G, and then a pull off, and then to the 14 on the D. Then the next one we're going to have 2 bends on the 14 and bend the 16 then. So we got bend, bend, bend on the 16, 16, 14, bum, 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 bum. So kind of 4 slow ones there on the 16 on the D, and then 14 to 2 16s on the D. So we got. And then we're going to have bend, bend, 16, 14, same thing on the D, but back to the 16, so. Another one of those. 14 on the G, 16, 15, 14, a little chromatic. So all these fills from the last chorus, we got. Okay, then we got a real cool one, another one after the 1. 1. Okay, so 1, 12 to open, open with a kind of a pull off. 1. Same thing on the 10, same thing on the 7. And then we're gonna hit a little 5. We go 5. We're gonna bend that 7 on the second. And then a pull off, 7 to 5 on the second. And then we have this interesting thing, 6 on the G with 2 bottom strings open. Okay, so once again we got 1. And then we have. So 16 on the D, twice. Little bend on that 14. That was 6 of those notes. go to the 14, bend that 16 on the G, and then we go 16, 14, 16 to bigger 16, 14. So the last part is da-da-dum. Slow bend on that 17, and that takes us back to that intro thing where we had, but you can go ahead and do it on that 17 since we're already there, and that would be with that 9. And they do that 4 more times. So once more in this last part, we got 1. Do it 4 times. And you're just kind of doing that same rhythm a lot. Godzilla, and it just kind of ends on that. All right, thanks for watching Godzilla, Blue Oyster Cult. I'll try to do one of these days with that mid lead in there, but that is some seriously burning stuff. So have fun with all this in the meantime. Talk to y'all soon.